Hey everyone, Emily Carter here. We've got a packed week ahead on Wall Street, with fresh data that could easily shake the markets. From the latest ISM reports to job openings and inflation expectations, this week's numbers will show whether the U.S. economy is still cooling or quietly heating up again. Let's start with Monday. We'll kick things off with the ISM Manufacturing PMI. Last month, it dipped below 50, signaling contraction. If it climbs back above 50, that could fuel optimism for industrials and cyclicals like Caterpillar or 3M. But if it stays weak, expect renewed talk of a manufacturing slowdown. Tuesday brings the JOLTS job openings report, a key indicator for the Fed. Remember, the Fed has been watching the labor market closely to gauge inflation pressure. If job openings fall again, Wall Street could see that as a sign that the Fed's tightening worked, and maybe, just maybe, rate cuts aren't too far off. Wednesday's spotlight is all on the ISM Services PMI, the backbone of the U.S. economy. The services sector makes up nearly 70% of GDP, so this number matters. If it holds above 50, it shows resilience, which could support tech, retail, and consumer discretionary stocks. And don't forget, we'll also get the ADP private payrolls report, giving us a preview of Friday's labor data. This week also brings a wave of Fed speeches, including Waller, Williams, Daly, and Jefferson. After the recent pause in rate hikes, investors will parse every word for clues about the December policy direction. If they hint at renewed inflation concerns, expect yields to spike and growth stocks to wobble. But any dovish tone could spark a mini rally in tech. Friday wraps it all up with the Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations data. These numbers might sound small, but trust me, they move markets. If consumers expect higher prices ahead, the Fed might keep rates elevated longer. If sentiment improves, it could reinforce the soft landing narrative that's been powering this year's rally. So, to sum up, this week's all about jobs, services, and sentiment. The data we get could decide whether the next leg for U.S. stocks is a breakout or a breather. I'll be tracking it all right here, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for the daily updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart and stay invested.